Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to completely uninstall Roblox guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. To completely uninstall Roblox, we need a application that will help you to uninstall Roblox completely guys. For that open a browser. You just need to search for Geek Uninstaller. Click on the official site Geek Uninstaller. Click on the download option. Click on the zip file and download it guys. After getting download done, click on this show in folder option. Now we need to open the zip file guys. Double click on it. Now double click on the Geek application. Now click on S. Now in here you just need to search for Roblox guys. Right click on the Roblox player. Select uninstall it guys. Roblox has been uninstalled. Click on OK. This application will help you to remove the leftover files guys. Scanning for leftover files. Now click on finish to delete all of these trash items. Click on finish. All traces removed. Close it off here. Now we have completely uninstalled Roblox guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.